Numbered among the new discoveries of the past few years are the dozen or so, quote, gyroscopic galaxies, end quote, discovered via radio telescope at the, quote, edges of the universe, end quote. From the traditionally scientific point of view, these galaxies are novel in that they possess vertical rings, as well as the horizontal spiral arm rings of more orthodox spiral galactic formations. From the holonomic perspective, however, these gyroscopic galaxies, perhaps examples of highly evolved mutually coordinating star systems, are on a massive scale only simple manifestations of the primal resonant field model of the holonomic topocosm.